Hi, we are going to do an unboxing of the GearGo voltage converter. I got this for a travel to Europe, and this one is not said that they can convert. It comes with a different, from what I read, here are all the different plugs that you can convert depending on where you're at. So there's one for the UK. I'm not sure which one is which, but I know one's for the UK. One does like Germany area, one does Europe area. Obviously there's 4, so I don't know all the different parts it does. But depending on where you travel, you should be able to use them in each of your areas. And I'll show you this part too. I got this one because people were saying that this one is not too loud. And I guess that was one of the complaints about a lot of converters I was reading about, is that a fan turns on and it's really loud. And you can see there's a place for a fan to turn on this one, but people specifically said it wasn't too loud. So that's why I picked this one. And you can get your USBs and what's that called? Micro charger. So it can charge a lot of things. Oh, I also picked this out because it says that it specifically can handle a flat iron or a curling iron, things like that. And I wanted something like that as well. So it also comes with this nice little bag to store it all in while you're traveling so you don't lose the pieces. I will try it out and I'll let you know how it goes.